Hello, welcome to SLS Playa Mujeres. I am back for the second time because I love this resort so much, and I wanted to show another video of the swim out here at SLS Playa Mujeres. Very modern. The resort has only been open for about 6 months now. So again, everything's going to feel very fresh, modern. We have either 2 double beds or a king. So depending on if you have a family or a couple, we'll decide what kind of room category makes the most sense for you. And the best part of this, very nice, roomy, open, but the best part is the swim out area because it feels very, very private. So while this can be for families, I also really love it for couples. If you're looking for a swim out with privacy, I've seen a lot of swim outs, and this one to me, when I saw it for the first time, I was so excited because again, it really is something special. So you have a great patio area here to hang out, read a book, maybe you have to do some work, have a coffee in the morning, and then we can come here. Let's see if I can get this open. This has the child proofing, obviously, for families. We can come right out here, and it almost feels like you're in Tulum because you're surrounded by all this foliage. So this is a great shady spot. You've been in the sun all day, you want to come out and relax, have some quiet time. You've got your loungers here, and then you have this amazing swim out to go take a dip with your fiance, with your husband, with your loved one, or for the kids. So it's a great, great option. The parents, you can be right here, come right out. The kids can get in the swim out. And again, it doesn't connect to the main pool, but it's a great swim out that the kids can go up and down. Lots of privacy. Love this resort. So excited to be back. Hope I can get you here soon.